Hello and welcome everyone to the T-Flows Crash Course, your stepping stone to mastering open source CFD using a flexible but a robust computational fluid dynamics tool. My name is Mohammed Sayed and I will be your guide on this exciting learning journey throughout the course. Over the past 6 years, I've had the privilege of working with a multitude of CFD software packages, which allowed me to have a deep understanding of fluid dynamics, and today I'm excited to share my skills and knowledge in this field with you. This course is aimed at academics from undergraduates to PhD scholars and postdocs who are looking to expand their knowledge in CFD, but that's not all. Professionals in the industry that are seeking to leverage the power of T-flows, and especially in verification and validation benchmarks, will also find this course very useful. By the end of this course, you'll not only know how to use T-flows to perform CFD simulations, but also you will be able to customize the code to your own application and be adept at post-processing your results with open source packages. This course has been meticulously designed to take you from the basics of CFD to performing complex simulations for advanced applications in a systematic but easily graspable manner. So whether you're a novice in the field of CFD, a student aiming for mastering this tool, or a professional who wants to take their CFD skills to the next level, this course is just for you. So without further ado, let's jump right into it.